Alright, so this is the unboxing for the CarPlay AI Box Elite from One Car Stereo. Inside the box, we've got the instruction manual, and then we've got the CarPlay unit itself, and then we've got 2 USB cables, and that's everything. So if you go to the speed play button, that is what's supposed to mimic Android Auto screen. And there it goes. We've got wireless Android Auto. That's pretty cool. It's got all the apps for the normal Android Auto. The connection setup seemed pretty straightforward. You just plug it right into the car and it connected right away. So let's test a few other things. So I'm gonna go back into the Android Auto screen with the speed play button and test out the voice functions. Take me to Home Depot.
There's it at the Home Depot 10 miles away.
All right, that seemed to work pretty good with the voice controls. So I mainly want to use this for wireless Android Auto, but then it's got apps that you can use. So let's take a look at that. So if you hit the apps, these are the apps that come pre-installed, and then it's got the Play Store so you can download apps. Let's try YouTube, for example. So I already logged into one of my YouTube accounts earlier, but let's go in here and let's search for me. Hey, there I am. Let's see. Let's check out my video.
Good morning, everybody. I'm not going to call this a review, but more of a first look at this 3,000 watt-hour portable power station from...
There's my video playing on YouTube in my car. Prime Video is now on the app screen, so I'm going to sign into that and we'll test that out a little bit. All right, let's try playing something. If you download that, and then it's got downloads right here, that would be how to watch it offline. Right now I am connected to my Wi-Fi hotspot, so I would imagine it will play... There it goes. And we're not going to sit through 2 minutes of ads, but it works.
This is Lulu. Lulu.
All right, that's pretty cool. Tested the video at least a little bit with YouTube and Amazon Prime in the app section. And yeah, that's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool added feature there. And that is the MirrorLink feature. So I'm going to open up the CarPlay app, and then you go to EasyCon on the screen, and let's see what happens. So that opened up this EasyCon, and then there's the mirror button. And then on my phone, I can hit Start Now. And there it is. It is mirroring my screen. So let's see if I go to portrait mode and then turn my phone. Yeah, that's a little bit better. So I got all my apps there. Let's see. I open up the weather. I got the weather. Got my calculator. Let's see, my Google Calendar. I don't know what I got in there. Shazam. So yeah, it seems to be mirroring my phone screen pretty good. I am recording this conclusion about a week after starting this video. I just put on the same hoodie for continuity. But with that being said, my initial impression of the AI Box Elite is quite positive. It couldn't have been easier to get it connected, and it has been working quite well so far. All of the features seem to work just as well on the iPhone, by the way.